Welcome friend in Excel Excellence. In this video I'm going to help you how to use array to text function. As you notice, you will get only one output if I use the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP basis of the criteria. If suppose we have the one criteria and multiple output like this table, you will get only the one output basis of XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. So I'm trying to give you a heads up how to use array to text function now. So like this, I'm getting only one output basis of VLOOKUP and the similar way in XLOOKUP. I'm going to show you first. Now you see only Luna senders and Luna senders you get the result basis of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP like this. But I need another output as well which you can get from the array to text function like this. I'm going to take the output of the full name basis this criteria which you can get in column C. Now you can notice Luna Sanders and Luna Sanders and Ruby Banners here. If I change the criteria, now you can get the multiple output of this same criteria. Emil Davis, Penelon Jordan, Madeline Walker. Now you can see I'm going to highlight the output basis the result. See, there are three output of the same criteria which you can get from array to text function. But generally this is you getting basis of filter, but array to text function is converted into the same cell. So thank you so much to watching my video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.